What's up, YouTube? Happy Tuesday. It's your boy, Kevin Love. I'm here today with two Hoover 200s. Hoover Elite 200s. Hard to find. Almost close to none. As you can see, we have two soft bag old school Hoover Elites for you today. They both the basic models, meaning there was no cutout for the hose nor the attachments. So yeah. To my left we got model U4455, and to my right we have U4. Shoot, hold on, I forget this one. This one is a U4467. U4467, and then U4455. This one is a 5 amp. This one is a 6 amp. And they both got the same top fill bags. So we will go ahead and run them both. I'll start with the 5 amp. This thing is light and quiet and very strong with the suction. All right, next up. I guess it's pretty easy to tell which one is the 5 amp and which one is the 6 amp. That one little amp make a lot of sound difference. So there you go. But still both amazing Hoovers. This is the reason why America trusts Hoover. That's real talk. Hoover is some of the best vacuums ever. Like some of the best vacuums ever. Anyway, please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, you know who, and I'm out. Peace.